Democracy is not learned only from textbooks. It is understood when it is experienced. This belief came alive through a historic initiative, the Andhra Pradesh School Mock Assembly. From across this state, 175 students from 175 assembly constituencies who are the winners of their constituency level competitions came together to participate in this unique exercise. The mock assembly is being witnessed by the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Education Minister Shri Nara Lokesh Garu, the Speaker, ministers and senior officials, making it a moment of pride for every student. The proceedings reflected the dignity and discipline of a real assembly. Students raised questions, introduced bills, and ministers responded with confidence and clarity.
ప్రభుత్వం ప్రారంభించిన కొత్త
మొబైల్ వ్యసనం కేసులు ఎంత నమోదయ్యాయి? అధ్యక్ష,
గత ఆర్థిక సంవత్సరంలో కొత్త సౌర సామర్థ్యం రాష్ట్ర
In a remarkable display of legislative understanding, 2 bills were passed in the mock assembly. But experience must be supported by understanding. To deepen this learning, the Constitution of India for Children was introduced, bringing constitutional values closer to younger minds. The Constitution of India for Children explains the spirit of the preamble and core constitutional values through stories, comics, and infographics. Each story highlights values like justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, connecting the Constitution to everyday life. The book is visually enriched with designs inspired by Bengali Alpana, Rajasthani Jharokha, Kondapalli toys, Punduru Khadi Jamdani, and Pichwai art. Stories set across different states celebrate India's unity in diversity. The Honorable Chief Minister released the book Constitutional Values for Children, emphasizing constitutional awareness among students. Students interacted with leaders and shared moments that will remain lifelong memories. By nurturing leadership and constitutional values, this mock assembly is shaping tomorrow's leaders.
In Andhra Pradesh, we believe every child deserves a strong beginning and foundation in early years. This is the guiding principle behind achieving the foundational literacy and numeracy in the state. It's the critical first step to ensure every student reads with comprehension and masters basic math by grade 3, the cornerstone for all future learning and success. FLN is not only about reading and writing, it is about understanding, expressing, and solving problems. When children build strong foundations in early, they learn better at every stage of life. In Andhra Pradesh, Guaranteed FLN is a commitment to ensure every child can read with understanding and perform basic mathematical operations. The GFLN focuses on structured classroom practices by using appropriate teaching learning materials, joyful learning, regular assessments, and continuous mentoring and monitoring support. FLN is no longer a goal. Now it is a guarantee. This is our unwavering commitment to ensure every child from classes 1 to 5 achieves Nipun Lakshyas by March 2026. This ambitious mission is deeply data-driven. A massive FLN baseline survey was conducted from November 24th to December 6th, 2025, covering 13.6 lakh students through AI-based ORF tool in LEAP app by DITE students. Cluster resource persons, surplus teachers, officers, vast network of field functionaries. Based on these granular findings, the SCRT has developed the 75-day FLN action plan, a precise level-based academic roadmap for all primary schools. The plan is meticulously structured. Children are supported across 3 progressive learning levels: stream, mountain, and sky, ensuring every learner receives focused instructions. The 75-day plan runs from December 8th, 2025 to March 24th, 2026. The entire afternoon session is dedicated to intensive FLN activities from ORF practice, focused reading, dictation, and arithmetic operations to game-based learning and peer support. The culmination of this intensive 75-day effort is the Endline assessment, scheduled for the end of March. This rigorous evaluation will measure the final achievement of NIPUN Lakshyas by every student. Following the assessment, the Directorate of School Education will officially declare the list of schools that have achieved universal FLN Lakshyas, publicly recognizing their monumental success. In Andhra Pradesh, this promise is being fulfilled through strong partnerships, empowering teachers, and providing age-appropriate innovative teaching learning materials to implement a rigorous 75-day action plan fully aligned with NEP 2020 and Nipun Bharat to ensure every child attain the FLN is a state priority. Together, we are building foundational excellence and securing a brighter future for every child in Andhra Pradesh.